Hey guys, I have been wanting to get a new flocked Christmas tree for so long, and so I was so excited when I got to collaborate with King of Christmas this year because their trees are so dreamy, and they offered to send me a flocked tree. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing for you and kind of show you how little it sheds and how beautiful it actually is. This was super easy to set up. Obviously, I did this on time lapse because I am not that speedy, but from start to finish, it was about 20 minutes to get to see straight out of the box until when you see it's totally fluffed. And then stay tuned at the end. I'll show you how I decorated it and put it up in my room. Couple things you should know about this. This is the 7-foot Prince flocked tree with lights, and the flocking for King of Christmas is made up of a cotton-based material, kind of like what's found in a stuffed animal, and it's not toxic for children or pets, which is fabulous. Other thing that you ought to know is that they have a 2-year warranty and they have free shipping anywhere in the US, so totally awesome. King of Christmas has a huge selection of trees. You can find them all at kingofchristmas.com. And lastly, you should know that while King of Christmas does have some beautiful ornaments and accessories on their site, these ornaments that you see on this tree are not from King of Christmas. But I do love this tree. So hope you enjoy, and Merry Christmas.